và Hà Lan đầu tiên tại một cái cứ non một tràn á, vậy cho mấy led game mà tháng 6 mà tại hàng team mấy cái đăng á fan game mấy led register thì mấy được cái này
បាទចឹងក៏សូមស្វាគមន៍អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាមកកាន់ game ទី2រវាង team Make ប៉ាជាមួយនឹង Valhalla បាទចូលមកភ្លាមឧស្សាហ៍ចាំងក៏បានតិចតួចទៅដើម្បីបានស្ទេកខ្លួនឯងពីណាចា
ឯងឈ្នះ audience prediction មិនប្រកាសថាឯងឈ្នះយើងនៅក្នុង hall ទេ
នៅក្នុង hall យើងច្រើន
ឯងកុំចង់ហ៊ានមកយើងហ្វេងយើងមក hall
អំឡំ Impure Temporary
ថែមរ៉េក
Yeah
បាទ
វាអាចយវាមានអីល្អជាងអាថែមរ៉េក
បាទ
បាទខ្ញុំលេងដែរជាមួយនឹង Infinix Note 50 Pro Series ដែលជាចំនួនទូរស័ព្ទថ្មីសម្រាប់ AI មិនត្រឹមតែប៉ុណ្ណោះកម្លាំងសារក៏លឿនកម្រិតអេក្រង់កាន់ទៅលើ144 Hz បាទអញ្ចឹងកុំភ្លេចណាអ្នកដែលជីបចុចលេខ MLBB ជាមួយនឹង Infinix
បាទ
គេត្រូវប៉ាន់យក
នៅក្រៅតេស្តយកមក
ហ្នឹងហើយ
អត់តែខ្ញុំតែបោះ player អូយស្រួលលេងខ្លាំង
បាទចឹងយើងក៏លេខទៅមើលអំបលឹមជាមួយនឹង game នេះ Bimo យកប្រែវស្មៃទេអត់យក Impure ទេណាជាមួយនឹង Core
បាទ
បាទ
ឥឡូវ Luffy រៀងស្ងប់ស្ងាត់ការ clear lane King Aris ក៏ចេញ clear ដូចគ្នាចាំឲ្យមានចំណេញមកខាងគាត់ដើម្បីគាត់បញ្ចប់ជាមួយនឹងការ clear យកនៅពេលដែល level 4 total បាទ
early game ស្កាប់ស្កាត់ល្អមែនតើ face លឹកនេះវ៉ាហាឡាយល់ហើយតែមិនអាចចាញ់បោកទៅលើ team match ទេ
បាទ
ព្រោះមកឈុត face early ធ្ងន់តែ
បាទអញ្ចឹងដោយបាននិយាយយ៉ាងជាមួយនឹង Secret គាត់ថាអើយ៉ាហក់ជន់យកតែម្ដងជាមួយនឹង King Aris អាចមានបញ្ហាចាយ off flicker មួយបាទហើយពី King Aris
បាទថា flick ឯងព្រោះដោយសារមិញអ្នកយក flow ហ្នឹងយកមកបរៀនគេណាអ្នកមកវាយគេឥឡូវគេវាយវិញ
បាទ
មិនឯងនៅខាងក្រៅឯងធ្លាប់រៀនមួយយើងតែនៅក្នុង game យើងវាយឯងហើយ
បាទឥឡូវ Cypher ជាប់ជាមួយនឹងជញ្ជាំងរបស់បណ្ដាញយកតែម្ដងជាមួយនឹង Secret ក៏មានការម៉ាត់ចុះម៉ាត់ឡើងទៅលើ Cypher ដូចគ្នា
តែប៉ិតAres ហើយជាមួយនឹង Luffy ពុកម៉ាក់គ្នាដែររៀនមួយគ្នាដែរ
ហ្នឹង
រៀនមួយគ្នា
បាទអញ្ចឹងដល់ពេលមកប៉ះគ្នាក្នុង game ដែរបាទចាឥឡូវភ្លាមជាមួយការតែយកទៅថបាទយកជាមួយនឹងជាទី2ពី Cypher បើកដាក់អុកយកតែម្ដងពីវត្តមានមកទាំងពីជាមួយនឹងការអុកស្វែឡងជាប់ដល់តែពីបញ្ញា Retribution បានទៅលើជាមួយនឹងសាសូទេតែមានវត្តមានជាមួយបញ្ញា shut down យកទៅម្ដងជួយការដេញវាយពីសាសូមិនដល់បញ្ចប់ទេវាយ Secret មានតែ smash ឈាមតែម្ដងអត់មានរត់ទេមានតែម្ដង skill យកដល់ជាមួយនឹងការកឹបតាប់ប៉ាងជួយគ្នាបានល្អខ្លាំងតែពីណាចាបើអត់តែធ្វើការ cover យកជាមួយនឹង stake ផងដែរតែ King Aris ក៏មានការដកថយទៅវិញផងដែរ
មិនគេយកឃើញគេដឹងដែរថាជាមួយនឹងបាឡាគាត់ទៅជន់ lane អី sprint lane គេចាយអស់មក flicker ហើយទី1ទី2flow early game ហ្នឹងគឺយើងឃើញថាពួកគាត់ព្យាយាមក្នុងការ fast total ដូចគ្នាប៉ុន្តែដោយសារគេមិញ Aris គាត់តែពួយ skill សពប្រមាណតែពួយ claim in lane ហត់ទៅ target lock ទៅលើបញ្ញាយកមក
បញ្ញាមិញដូចសម័យរោមស្គរម៉ែ team mate រោមបញ្ញាឡើងពីម្នាក់
បាទ
យកទៅ target lock ហ្មង
និយាយទៅមិនមែនបញ្ញាគាត់ប្រហែល retreat បានតែមិញប្រហែល retreat ពេកបញ្ញុកគាត់មែនតើមក
បន្តាច់ skill
face គាត់ដែលរុញឲ្យ King Aris off flicker មួយតែដូចអត់មានជាផលប្រយោជន៍អីបាននៅក្នុងតថទីមួយទេ
បាទអត់ទេដោយសារតែហេតុណាហ្នឹងវាអត់មានរំពឹងអីទៅលើ flicker
មានពឹងអីតែឈាមពេញដេញតាប់យើង
បើថា hero combo ដូចត្រស្រាដូចអីចឹងអាហ្នឹងអាចរំពឹងទៅលើ flicker តែនេះអត់ទេ hero ប្រើ skill ជាមួយទៅវាយគេ
អាយ៉ា
បាទ
គាត់ព្យាយាមដែរមិញបាហាឡាគាត់ដឹងដែរ flow early game គាត់ព្យាយាម fast total តា
ហ្នឹង
ព្យាយាម fast total ដែរប៉ុន្តែដោយសារតែគេលឿនដែរគេដឹងហ៎
បាទគេមកពីក្រោយហើយណាមួយ Cypher ស្រួលបើក map យ៉ាងងល់ទៅដល់បើសិនវាយគាត់team វាយគាត់វាយអត់កាត់គាត់អាចតែរត់យកមក
Yes
បាទ
Star Liam សៃ
ហ្នឹង
Star Liam ចូល
តាក់ទូ
3នាទី40 my god
នេះមក level តែ game ណាlevel 8បាត់យក់
បាទនោះ
គេសាក់សូននេះ fan ដូចនេះ
បាទមើលការ rotate មកហើយជុំគ្នា Cypher បើក map ជួបជាមួយនឹង Secret នៅក្នុងហ្នឹងដល់ជាមួយនឹងការកប់សក់បើមិនបញ្ហាអីទេប្រើ skill ទី1របស់ Harris បាទណាចា clear ជាមួយនឹង Midland បាទអាចនឹងមានការវាយគ្នាដែរទេថតទី2នឹងមានការ spawn ក្នុងរយៈពេល12នាទីផងដែរបាទនិយាយទៅ game គូតែ2នេះមានអារម្មណ៍ថា early game គាត់ធ្វើវាយគ្នាហ្មង
បាទដោយសារ game ទី1គាត់ត្រូវ trap គេម្ដងអត់ទេបាហាឡាតែពេលអញ្ចឹងគាត់ត្រូវsecure ដែរ
បាទ
កុំឲ្យគេ snowball ទី2វិញម្ដង
នោះអ្នកនៅចំណេញហ៎ Luffy ច្រឡំKing Aris បាទ
កត្រាក់
អាយយបាទមានការតេស total Luffy នៅ spam ឲ្យ total វាយចុះវាយឡើងតែមើលឃើញ map បញ្ញា ពី King Eri ដូចគ្នាទៅដល់ King Eri ធ្វើការគួចជាមួយនឹងបញ្ញាមុនគេយកតាមជាមួយនឹងការជន់ Ultimate Cover ពី Cypher ជាប់អាពីរបាក់ស្វែងឈាមជាមួយនឹងការបោកវាយយកតាមមិនដឹងវាយអីគេខ្លះទេជាមួយនឹងការវាយចូលវាយឡើងដាច់ជាមួយបញ្ញាឬក៏យ៉ាងណា Secret មុនគេជាមួយនឹងបញ្ញាក៏មានការបានដាប់ជាផងដែរពីសាក់ស៊ូ វ៉ាវលោកពីសមដែរទៀតទៅដល់ចាក់បញ្ឆាំមួយពីមក King Eri ធ្វើការវាយជាមួយនឹងការកឹបសាប់បងវិណាចាបណ្ដាយកជាមួយនឹង Tato ទី2នេះ Sixure ពី Team Make
និយាយទៅគេដឹង timeline ទី make early game របស់បញ្ញាខ្លាំងហ៎
បាទ
គឺគេលុកទៅលើបញ្ញាយកមកដល់បញ្ញុកអត់ឲ្យធ្វើអីចេញយកមក
ហ្នឹង
ទទួលស្គាល់ថាបញ្ញាគឺគាត់ក៏ជា player ម្នាក់ដែល farm លឿន
បាទ
ទៅលើនេះដែរប៉ុន្តែយើងក៏លេចទៅមើល player របស់ team make មួយ
បាទ
ទៅបញ្ញុកបិទទៅលើបញ្ញាយកមក
វ៉ា
បាទទៅ
ចាចូលយកក៏មក play ទៅគ្នាជាមួយនឹងកញ្ចប់ MLBB របស់យើងដូចគ្នាដែលមានជាមួយនឹងកញ្ចប់មួយសប្តាហ៍និងមួយខែដូចគ្នាអញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់មួយសប្តាហ៍អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាចំណាយត្រឹមតែ1រៀលកន្លះទេទទួលបាន56ពេជ្រនិងមួយខែចំណាយ$6និងទទួលបានជាមួយនឹង235ពេជ្រដូចគ្នា
ហ្នឹងបាទ
ចាំកាល
នេះ
បើ
គេ
ប្រើ
ហៅថា
ប្រាស់ sell card ទាំងអស់គ្នា
ហ្នឹងបាទចំណេញបានតែមិនទៀត
ហើយ
ដង
លេងហ្គេមដាច់កង់ចោល
Yes បាទទៅកន្លែងណាក៏មានសេវាដែរ
ណា
បាទចឹងមាន Cypher ធ្វើការហក់ទៅលើ Karen តែអត់មានបញ្ហាអីទេ Secret កន្លែងនេះជាមួយនឹងការដកជាមួយនឹងលបងរបស់ខ្លួនឯងដូចគ្នាដេញបាញ់យកតាមជាមួយនឹងការពុះ PRA ធ្វើការម៉ាត់អត់ជាមួយនឹងការ shut down ពី Sky Piercer របស់ Line ដូចគ្នា
បានតំចេញមិញឥឡូវបាន mistake បាត់ហើយពីឡើយ
ហ្នឹង
My god
បាទ
early game
អយ៉ាដាច់គួរទៀតហើយ Karen មាន flicker អញរត់បានដែរទេគ្រាន់តែក្រាកទេតែប៉ុណ្ណោះអត់បញ្ហាទេព្រោះដោយសារ damage របស់ Line អត់ទាន់បាញ់ដល់គាត់បានហ្នឹង
អូយបាទនិយាយរួមទៅជាមួយនឹងឈើដេញលុកពេញ map យកហ្មងដេញជន់យកហ្មង
បាទ
អត់បានធ្វើអីទេបាទ
បាទចឹងប៊ីម៉ូក្នុងការ copy ultimate high loss ចឹងងាយស្រួលមែនទេក្នុងការចាញ់ចូលប៉ុន្តែបញ្ញាមើលទៅដូចរៀងចង់ទូឲ្យក៏ដូចមានការបាក់ ultimate យកទៅដល់ពីណាចាភព skill ទៅលើ King Eri start ឈឺទេកំសាប៉ោងជាប់បាន200ក៏ដូចជាកន្លែងនេះខ្លាញ់ Cypher ក៏លោឈៀបដូចគ្នាបាទ
បាទខ្ញុំអៀយកហ្មងណាមួយ
4k lit
យ៉ា 4k lit កលេចទៅមើលដៃចាកន្លសាក់ស៊ូ level 11ពេញហើយ level 9
បាទ
តែមួយបាក់ចោលបញ្ញាគេបញ្ញុកគាត់ពេក
ហ្នឹងហើយហើយ hero ហ្នឹងអត់មានអីចេញចូលហ្នឹងបើសិនហោះអាទីអស់លេង
យ៉ាហើយអ្វីដែលសំខាន់នោះគ្នាគាត់ព្យាយាមជួយដែរប៉ុន្តែ skill គេដូរមកកតូលោមកជន់ហ្នឹងមកដុំហ្នឹង
តមកគិតដែរបានស្រួលលេង
យ៉ា
តែ Hello វាបាន sustain ដែរ
កាប់ប៉ាត់បើសិនយើងគិតបើទៅដល់មកធាតាទេបើសិនកតូតក៏អាចនឹងងាយស្រួល
cover គាត់យ៉ាបើបានកតូតល្អជាង high loss
បើគេបញ្ញុកមកវាយយើងច្រើនយើងលោតយួន
តតហ្នឹងកំបោ
បាទ
មួយ alpha
បាទចាឥឡូវព្រាមជាមួយនឹង Tato មានការតែយកតែម្ដងតែយកមួយជាមួយនឹង Stack របស់ Line ហ្គេមនេះដាក់រក Stack ពេលនឹងយកតែម្ដងចា skill មួយពី Cypher ឲ្យមានបញ្ហាជាមួយនឹងការក្រាក់ទេយកតែម្ដងជាមួយនឹងការដាច់ Clear Cypher បាត់ហើយព័ត៌មានជាមួយនឹងការ review សានបានទៅលើសាក់ស៊ូទេបណ្ដាមានការបោកវាយយកតែម្ដងពី King Eri មួយទៅលើ4ចូលទៅដល់វាយជាមួយការចាយពីការក្រាក់ទេវាយពី Grand ផងដែរជាមួយការ shut down ទៅលើ King Eri
គ្មានតាំងជាមួយនឹងGrand ទេបាត់អីលោត Stallion សាមកកង់យកហ្មង
បាទបាទ
ជី
បាទព្រោះសារមិញ King Eri គាត់ធ្វើដើម្បីពាំងគ្នាគាត់រត់ដែរ
ហើយ
បាទធ្វើចឹងមិញគ្នាគាត់អាចពិបាករត់ដែរ
និយាយទៅគាត់ចង់រត់ដែរគាត់ដោយសារតែគាត់សល់ flicker
flicker តែគេសាក់ទេ
ហ្នឹង
មកទេ
Holy
ទេ
សាក់ស៊ូ
បាទតែ4 stack អូ8ទី
អូលឿនមែន
ច្រើនណាស់
ព្រះ
8នាទី
ហ្នឹង8ទី4 stack ច្រើន
និយាយរួម
ណាស់
ទៅមីនីទាំងអស់គឺសមាជិក team mate គឺអត់ឲ្យអត់មានអាគេ clear ទេគឺប្រឡែងឲ្យ live clear ទាំងអស់
បាទចឹង live
ទាំងអស់
go
សាក់ស៊ូ
on
ចាំយកតាចាំកល
បាទ
អត់ secure
បើក map
បាទ
អាយយ
អាយ៉ា
មានការ shot call មានការស្រែកលឺបណ្ដាអើយមាញ់
បាទ
មិញបើថតតកន្លែងនេះគ្រោះថ្នាក់
បាទទៅហើយមានការគក់ Grand ម្ដាយពីដៃពី King Eri ប៉ុន្តែបើយើងមើលទៅជាមួយនឹង live ចិត្ត 10000 goal
បាទលឺដល់អស់
បា
A
ល់
ហើយអ
ជា
ស់ B ទេ
បាទ
តែនៅ C
4k lit ដដែល
ហ្នឹងបាទបើក map ពី secret ប៉ុន្តែណាចាក៏មាន stake ច្រើនគួរសមដូចគ្នា
និយាយទៅ game នេះ phase របស់ខាង Valhalla គាត់ត្រូវយក early substate និងឈានទៅដល់ mid និង late game របស់ខាង team Valhalla ក៏មានជាមួយនឹង Grand ហើយនិង Nacha បើចុះដល់ late ក៏មាន damage ច្រើនមែនទែន
បាទ
តែ phase មួយនេះក៏ team mate ក៏ដឹងដូចគ្នាថា timeline damage របស់ខាង team Valhalla ចូលទៅដល់ late នោះគឺដល់កម្រិតណាព្រោះគាត់កំពុងតែព្យាយាមចង់ snowball game ហ្នឹងហើយ
បាទបាទចឹងរៀងស្ងប់ស្ងាត់បន្តិចហើយក៏ដូចជា Eri បើក map ពេញនឹងយកតែម្ដងអត់ពី Cypher នៅសល់ Eri មួយទៀតបាទចាឥឡូវមានការ cover នៅខាង top lane មកដែរគឺទូដូចមានការបាញ់ខំស្គាយកតែម្ដងទៅលើ Luffy មានអារម្មណ៍ថាឈឺខ្លាំងតែបាញ់ចេញពីឡានក៏ដូចជាវត្តមានជាមួយនឹងការចេញមកវិញដល់ជន់អាទីយកតែម្ដងជាមួយនឹងការជន់ទៅហើយចាប់ Grand មកគេ Grand បកកាយរត់ដែរជាមួយនឹងការចាយ flicker មួយរត់បានឡងខ្លះតែម្ដងជាមួយនឹងវត្តមានជាមួយការម៉ាត់ចូលទៅក្នុងជាប់ជាមួយនឹង Cypher ដូចជា King Eri ចង់ទៅណាមានការវាយកំសាប់ឲ្យដែរពីណាចា King Eri សោជាមួយនឹងគេទី1ដល់ថយបានដែរជាមួយនឹងការជាប់ stand របស់ Screen ចង់ទៅណា Eri น่าจะมาได้บ้านเรื่องกันบ้านอดบ้านในกิจกรรมการดอกทอยบ้านปีเอเร่
โอ้ยตันโดยกรอบไปจ่ายจองมาเลียนสเกลมาไว้ไซฟอร์ดได้ก็เถิดจะชนะไปแต่ไว้คิงเอริเตียนว่าไม่เอาหลังท้ายคาดเฟชานะแต่ไว้ในสำคัญก็อาจเตียงกลิดบ้านขลักคลามาไว้ตะเคียแต่ยังกระไรตะเมอร์แกรนลอยซอดมิสไนจะมาการล้างบ้านไอทีมบ้านปีไปทีมไหนว่าจำแต่เชงฮอลลีคริสตัลมาขอเต็ดมุนเอาไปเนี่ย
บ่าแต่ก็แปะดิฟัน
หลอดนี้
ชอบมาขอ
หลอดนี้โจอาจหลงปีผ่านไลน์ตัวเก็บเบสออกสเกียร์เฉินนั่นนะแกรน
พอได้แล้วนี่นะเวียนไปยังไงนะ
บวกหางแกจ่ายสเปรย์เลยจ่ายสเปรย์เชียร์มวยเหรอ
มา
ตีมวยตีปีปัญญาอันยังบอกว่าตีมวยโดยจมูกนั้นซาสูบนั้นซาหรือไปข้อนี่หลักไปเลยเนาะ
เย่
แต่เมื่อเช้าริตรีก็บอกว่าสำหรับก็ได้เดือดซาเลยเมียนการน้อยจังอยู่ทิ้งไอ้ดิเหรอบ่าแต่แล้วเมียนการพุ่งโยนน้องพุ่งโยนนาชาโลเชียมกลางแต่จมูกการกลางเตะอักกุปีอ่ะสินไอ้กุบตะตั้งเอาโยนน้องออกติออกตีย่อยปีศาจสูก็มีการออกต่อสเต็กในที่นี้จมูกการให้ทางสปอนแต่เตี้ยจมูกการ
จะมีแต่ดอกสเต็กอะพี่ไหลอะสกาย
บ
เป
อก
เซอร์
ไว้ปีสกรีตปากแมปกระโดดรอจมูกการไว้นี่ปีศาจสูเมื่อการเต็งไปจะเลยลูฟี่จมูกการเต็งในดอททอยจมูกการปลาสเปเชียมตาตปีเจ้าตาจมูกการได้จะเลยใส่เบอร์มันเก้เนี่ยมีปัญหาได้เต็งจมูกการจ้าก็มีการเมาเทชันตัวนี้กันนี่
โอ้
เชื่อเบิร์กแมปเนี่ยหน้าเบิร์กแมปไว้เนี่ยหนึ่ง
มาตายมาคิงไอรีบากแมปลอดกันในใจออกแล้วในคดีจมูกการมันโยตันดองปีวันนี้มาไล่ช่วยการชนะจะเลยลูฟี่เจริญตรีวิวสันจมูกการฟรีลอดปีปัญญามาลองลำแทนไอรีอันมีการดอททอยได้จมูกการชอบสมาปีเราใช้ปีกาไม่ใช้ปีกาไม่ปีกิงดีเมาจมูกการเด้งบังพี่ไล่ชัดดาวจะเลยปัญญาในคดีสองพี่เรามาไหนปีสกรีจมูกการโคบักนี้ชูตามพอบอตายชูตามพอบออดเมียนจมูกการตีออดเตอร์เร่
แต่ซาดาไม่ซาสูก็เอาตีมวยตีปีเอาไว้ได้สำคัญนั่นคือชาร์ลอตเลอร์แกรนซาสูเอาเมียนปลองในขนมการโชว์สเกจโจตาริตรีวิวชันโลจมูกปัญญาโน้ตเต้ปัจจุบันนั่งโย
โยนไปขนมเตี้ยเต้งเน่งฉายฟลิกเกอร์มวยจมูกการออกฟลิกเกอร์มาได้
ว่าเยโรตก็มันฉนายสเกจรามันเต็มตีมวยตีปีอะไรแต่รอดไม่ประบาดต้องซาสูเพื่อซาแกรนปัจจุบันโยมลง
สำหรับการเลยปีการสำหรับปีการเลยอเมริบีบ่าหรือก็โมบายเลเจนด์แบงกับเพล็กนะมาตุสนะร้องก้นเลเจนด์ซีดมา
บ่าจังหลอดนี่คือบานแต่เลิกวันไม่ได้บอกว่าฮาลา
ไล่อะดีไม่ดีเลยดอเลยผมไม่มีอารมณ์แท้ก็ดังไหนก็แบบว่าโชว์ดิตรีก็กอดเอาไว้แต่กอดเฟิร์นนั่นเนาะไม่ก็เพย์เพลียมนั่งสักสูก็จังทีมไฟแต่จะให้ก็โดนเติมหางเลือดดับใบเติมต่อสเต็กperfect bit กอดดับใบเต็งแต้มแต่เลยแกรนแต่ซาแกรนก็มีมัดด่าฉลองเชียงนั่นคือเวิร์ดกอดแต้มเด้งต้นนั่นเดี๋ยวมีอัดครบน้ำมวยสิกระดับก็โชว์เข้าไปเลยแกรนได้
บ่า
แต่เกมนี้ปัสยาโฮตอนแรกเกมคือลอยสตาร์สโมไหมนะ
นัง
ป่าโพลิซาทำไรจะไม่ปกว่าก็ดังโดยเคลียร์ทางว่าฮาละโดยเฉียฮารัดโดยเฉียเซสเลียนไอ้เซอร์เดี๋ยวไม่แรกเกมคือขนาดเลย
บ่า
จังบ่ถือสเกียบอลเซสเลียนไอ้นั่นมากองนายนั่นมากุ้ม
บ่าเดี๋ยวเราพอเกียร์ชามแต่ละลูฟี่ก็ปีอาร์ตแมนมวยพนักการกลางเตะจังกีไฮโลปีบิมโมตปี
เดี๋ยวเราบีโมเกมไม่แต่ก็ปีลูฟี่ยังไง
นั่งไงอ๋อมีนั่งก็ปีหนักเกี่ยวบ่ก็ปีบัดนังบ้านน้ำมันซันมันติ้งบ่าเลยเมกาบ้านอาร์ตแมนแต่ปีเล่นปีหลายด้วยគ្នាโชว์แต่ละเคยมุกวัตมีนบอกคิงอาริสปตายยมจมูกสะสูออกแรงกล่าว
เดี๋ยวเราตั้งเกมมวยนี้บัสเซอร์ตราที่ไม่ก็โดยอะไรบีโมก็มันมีกระเตลเถิดบอกว่าชั่วโมงบีโมก็จำไอไซเฟอร์ลงอาร์ตีกะไปขอยหรอ
บ่าเก่งอะไรทุกการได้เลือสกรีตยอดดำหล่ออาร์ตแมนทุกการเป่าจมูกกลางเตะยอดดำจมูกกระเตะปัญญาได้จมูกสกรีตมาลองคลำเตะปีลาย
เดี๋ยวเราจะกดเธอจะให้แม่ช่างโยมองหมดซะให้แม่ไปเกตดับไปเกลียสเปซเอาเกรนในขนมกาฟาร์มโยนเลย
บ่า
ทำไมมีแต่ไม่เลยแต่ไม่หนักชักชัวร์ไปเลย
นัง
อ๋อไม่ในรถโยงเหรอ
บ่าจังเพลย์ท็อปแลนด์ทีทูดักมาได้ปีวันเป็นบอลไลน์ทุกการดักจมูกหนังเซียลฮัลเบิร์กบานโจด้วยกันเนี่ยจังการตัดเครื่องวนเลยเนี่ยเดินบางมุกแต่ดาวปูโยตัดดองกีลูฟี่อันโรดูดาเต้ปราสเปเชียมไทม์เป็นเนี่ยโคเบอร์อัตวันในจมูกการตุ้งสกายพิเซอร์เจนกีไลน์แจงกองโยตัดดองจมูกงานแต่ไม่ระบาดนาจ้างก็เกยอัดคลายโดยที่นี่เหรอ
เกชบังในดิเมกมาหลายจับดาวเมียนสกายพิเซอร์แฮกสเต็กอะอะไรสาวยังไง
บ่าเลยทีวันเทรดอันหนึ่งโยบานพนักปีวันเป็นบอลบีโมสทุกการเอาเทรดทั่วปีได้ดำเมียนบางไงสระกอดเต้บ่าบีโมนี่เป็นแรงกี่เยอะ
เกรนชับดำเมียนนะเกมนั่งอะเลยเกมไวออแล้วนะ
บ่าแต่đóพกสกิลมาได้ปีไหนช้าเอาย้อยนาช้างก็โลเชียมนะซอเชียม50ไปร้อยอันนี้โจจมูกที่ไปได้นี่มาได้ยมจมูกกาชูมาเอาปีเกรนดักมาได้ตะเลยจมูกวันเป็นบอลบีโมแต่บีโมอัดบางไงได้กอดเมียนจมูกปลอดวิ่งนำไปโยจมูกเชียมโตโรมาได้ดีขึ้นเนี่ยบ่า
เกมนี้คิงเอรี่ประบาในขนมกาทาเกมแล้วก็บนซาเกมเรียนดอดับบุญตีเลย
บ่า
เฮ้ย
โอ้ยมาได้ชื่อบีโม បាទមានការផុកស្គីចេញពី live ដាក់អត់តែលេងតែលេងសិនទៅ
ពីមកពងហលូហ្វី
បាទតែកាជឿអត់មានអ្នកទៅអត់មានលោត
ពីមកអញ្ចឹង
បាទ
អេ
Race បាំងម៉ែ
អេវអេ
អត់ដឹង
បាទ14នាទី
អត់ដឹង
50វិនាទី5ទល់នឹង8គោលក៏នៅតែបន្តនាំមុខ
អូទៅនោះក្រែណាឈូ1ឈូ2តែសាក់សួរហ៊ានវាយទេអូយយកមកបោះវិញបែកបាក់អត់តែអស់អាទីបាត់បែតអស់
ប៉ុន្តែពីរ៉ូនឹងអាទីមួយផ្លែដូចគ្នា
ណាំមានលឿននេះបើសារមាន cool down ប៉ុន្តែភ្លាមជាមួយនឹងការតែយកឡតឬក៏ណាវត្តមានជាមួយនឹងក្រែអត់មានអាតែទេព្រោះមានការដោតកឹបសាក់ប៉ោយកទៅដល់បណ្ដាអ្នកពីក្រោយពីគេថ្ងៃនេះធ្វើការឡុកទៅលើក្រែយកទៅដល់មានការចូលជាមួយនឹងការចែកនឹងមាត់យកទៅដល់ពីក្រែធ្វើការតែនេះវាយជាមួយនឹង team វាយក្រែធ្វើការឡុកអាទីជុំ2ពីសាក់សូធ្វើការ shut down ទៅលើវត្តមានសាក់សូមានការតែយកបណ្ដាលើពីដូចគ្នាបាត់បង់សោត last man standing ដល់ដល់ពីក្រែ
ជាមួយនឹងការដោអល់ទីម៉េតកុំពីពី2មកគ្រាន់ដល់ឃើញគាត់កុំពីជាមួយនឹងកតេហ្មងគ្រាន់គេបើកតេចូលមកក៏ចូលមក Cypher លូនមកអាទីមកមានអីគាត់កុំពីម្ដងបាត់ចូលជាងយកមក
បាទឥឡូវ T3 នៅផ្លូវមីឡែនក៏មានការយកបានបងដែរពីវត្តមានរបស់ team មេក៏ដូចកន្លែងនេះ last man standing ទប់ទាជាមួយនឹងការ shut down wipe out ជ័យជំនះ2 0 គឺបានទៅលើ team
ម៉េចអូវ៉ាបាញ់មកធីមហ្វាយធ្វើគាត់បាត់បង់ធ្ងន់ធ្ងរយកតែមែនតែហើយកន្លែងហ្នឹង
គឺមកឡើងដែរអៀយក
អត់ទេធ្ងន់ណាស់កន្លែងហ្នឹងគឺគេដឹងគេឈប់បាស់គេ